Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, and today I'll show you how you can boot this tablet into safe mode. So to get started, we're going to access our boot options by pulling down our notification panel. Then you want to swipe down once again to extend it, and here you'll find your power button. When you click on it, it gives you two options. You want to hold power off. As you can see, this changes into safe mode, and from here we're just going to tap on it once more to initiate the reboot into safe mode. Now, that being said, while the device is rebooting, I'm going to quickly just explain this mode because it's not a mode that you will be using to run your device permanently in this kind of state, because all the applications that you have installed will be temporarily disabled in this mode, and neither you nor the device can turn them on. Now, that will also extend to default Samsung applications as well, though not all of them. But for some reason, there is a decent amount of Samsung apps that are disabled in this mode as well. So, obviously this mode is designed for troubleshooting, so if you have no problems with your device, there's no reason to boot it up into it. And once it boots up, you can see we do have safe mode marking right here in the corner, just so you can always know that you're in this mode. And when it loads up, you can see that widgets won't load. We also have things like the browser from Samsung that is not working, Notes that isn't working, a couple Google applications as well, even Photos for some reason isn't working. And then we have phone, then a couple applications in here that won't work, and in here. So these are all default apps that come pre-installed with the device, and you can see plenty of them are just completely disabled in this mode. Some of the weird ones, for instance, like the calculator or clock, are even disabled, which I'm pointing that out because other devices, when they have safe mode, they don't block all applications, even like clocks and stuff like that. These are ones that come with the device, so you'd expect them to function in this mode. But anyway, once you're done troubleshooting your device and you want to go back to the normal mode, all you need to do is pull down your notifications once more, select your power button, and simply select the restart option. The device will boot back up and automatically go back to normal mode. And with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.